Hey guys, it's me, Kayla. So we're gonna be starting here shortly. It's 3:29 right now, so we got a little bit of time before we start. So I'll wait till 3:30 and then we'll start the live. But while we wait, comment below what you're gonna do today on Tuesday. Should be a good day, I know. And let's see, what am I gonna do? Probably homework. It's my finals week, so I'm gonna be working on homework today. But yeah, so comment below what you guys are gonna be doing tonight, sleeping, working, whatever you're gonna be doing, let me know. I'm gonna wait 30 more seconds. Yeah, so once it hits 3:31, I am going to start. And I'm really excited to start. Yeah. I'm just trying to keep an eye on time too. But yeah, how is y'all's day going? Is there anything exciting going on in your life? What's new? What's new? We officially got the keys to our home, so I'm really excited to move in here soon. So we got a few more seconds before we start. But yeah, let me know in the comments. How you doing? What's new with you? Any exciting events coming up? Anything like that? Perfect. It is 3:31 and that's when I promised I was going to start. So hey everyone, I am first off going to go over all the community events that are in the area for now, and then I'll kind of go into a short little introduction about what we're going to be talking about today. So the first community event that's going to happen, it is the Venardis Circus. I may have completely butchered the name, but it looks like Venardos Circus. And it's from August 11th to the 22nd, which today is the 10th, so it starts tomorrow. And if you're looking for a cool little event, this is the way to go. If you like circuses, if you like that kind of stuff, it's fun. I'm thinking about going. So the first one is tomorrow, actually, from 6 to 7:30. Tickets are $5 more at the door than prices online. They're $25 online, I think, in that 20 range. So if you purchase it at the door, it's going to be about 30 and up. So if you want to save time and the money, just go online and buy in advance. And then when they sell out online, there are no tickets available. So to secure a spot, go online. So the circus is a unique Broadway-style circus, and it's coming to the FH Beer Works, which is going to be on North Powers Boulevard in Colorado Springs. Specific address is 2490 North Powers Boulevard. It should be a lot of fun, and it's going to be a great thing to take your kids, to take your spouse, do a double date night. That is the place to go. The second one is paint your own pint or wine glass. So all you wine and pint drinkers, all you alcohol drinkers, this is a great place to go to test your painting skills, take on a great date. It's at the COATI Uprise. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name because I know I'm going to butcher it. So you can choose one of their designs and go rogue, or you can go rogue, excuse me, and paint your very own wine glass or pint glass at, looks like Kodai's, downtown Colorado Springs. You can sign up on their website or find the Facebook event for more info, so just go ahead, type in your computer, and look for paint your own pint or wine glass at COATI Uprise, and it'll have more information. And if you're looking for a new networking event, businesses out there looking to start a business, already existing business, looking for more referrals, looking for some friends in the same business as you, here's a networking event that I go to all the time. I'm actually, if you see me and other guys in these little pins, talk to us. We can help you out a little bit. It's my job as I come and hang out with you. And this is the group you're on, and it's Power Connectors. And Power Connectors is going to have a networking event August 24th from 5:45 to 7:45 at the 3 E's Comedy Club in downtown Colorado Springs, and that is 1 South Nevada. It's a great place to go, great turnout. It's super fun. You're going to meet so many different people, and if it's your first time going to a networking event, come talk to me. Come talk to any of the executive sponsors. We would love to just give you a heads up on what you should expect and how to really help guide you and introduce you to some people that could help you as well and help you gain that business. So today we are going to be talking about us. Woohoo! It's about United Nevada Restoration Group of Colorado Springs. And if you're new here, my name is Kayla Green and I'm their sales marketer. So today we are talking about who we are, what we do, a little bit about the company, all of that fun stuff too, and we're gonna get right to it. So a little bit about us is we have been in business for 2.5 years. Woo woo! We passed the year mark and the 2-year mark, and we are now at 2.5 years. But the great news is our owner actually has been in this kind of business for over 20 years. So he has 20 years of experience, ladies and gentlemen. That is a lot of experience. So he knows what he's doing. We are also a franchise that is based out in Florida, but good news, we are the first and only United Water Restoration Group of Colorado Springs in Colorado. I mean, without the Colorado Springs, you know what I'm saying? Because it's usually just United Water Restoration Group, but we're United Water Restoration Group of Colorado Springs, as you can see behind me with my nice little logo. So we are the first and only one in Colorado. We are also veteran owned and operated. So not only has our owner served for our country, but I get to work for someone who served for our country. Isn't that admirable, everyone? So fantastic. I love working for someone who has that kind of experience, and I get to hear those kind of stories. It's really cool. It's very admirable. I really love being a part of this company. So Kayla, I have a question. That's me. Who is United Water Restoration Group of Colorado Springs, and what do you do? That's a great question you ask, Kayla. Well, we actually specialize in water, fire, mold, and sewage damage. So like a flood in your basement, a fire in your home, stinky sewage backup, or mold that has grown over the time period after water has occurred. We are a full service restoration company, which means that we can not only do the remediation side of things, we can also do the rebuild side of things, which makes your life stress-free with us. You get to enjoy this special time and get through it quicker without having to worry about who's coming into your home, knowing it's just us every time. It's not different people coming in from different businesses trying to fix your home. It's us that do it. And like I said, we specialize in water, fire, mold, and sewage remediation. And if you're wondering, you know, Kayla, my air duct hasn't been cleaned for a while, and my dryer vent is starting to smell. Call us. We actually do air duct and dryer vent cleaning. If you don't remember the last time it's been done, if it's been over a year or 2 years, it is time to get it cleaned. And good news is we have amazing prices, do a fantastic job. So give us a call at 719-418-2271 and call us. We'll give you a quick estimate on how much it will be to do an air duct cleaning in your home. And great news, not only do we do that and have amazing prices, but for every air duct cleaning, you get a free dryer vent cleaning. Say what? For every air duct cleaning, you get a free dryer vent cleaning. How amazing is that? You're saving a good amount of money just by doing an air duct cleaning, by getting that free dryer vent cleaning. So, and also, we do these sanitation and disinfection services. So if you have kids that are going to school, or you have employers working in offices, homes, playgrounds, etc., our chemical is plant-based and is very safe and not harmful to your kids, your pets, your family, and friends. And it's extremely amazing to get rid of all that bacteria that's been in your home. And we do that too as well during our remediation, air duct cleaning, and dryer vent cleaning. Just ask us. We would love to tell you more information about it, or at least give you the estimate for it. It's a great thing to do. It's great for playgrounds. It's great for your home. It's safe for your pets, safe for your mom, safe for your child, safe for Becky, your daughter, whoever Becky is. I don't know who Becky is, but that's what I would say. But talk to your HOA. Talk to us. We want to help keep you guys safe and sound. So, something new about our business is we actually do trauma and crime scene cleanup. Yeah. That means after the dead body is taken out, we go in and clean up the scene. You know, I don't do it. It's the technicians. But I'm glad we have someone that does that. Because if you have an unfortunate event and you're like, I don't want to clean this up, I don't know what to do, it's a really sad time for you, call us, 719-418-2271. We are more than happy to clean that up for you so you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to think about it. We can clean up the aftermath for you. And if you want more information on what we do, a little bit more about us, you can email me or text me. My email is kgreen@unitedwrg.com. and my number is 719-641-0156, or you can also visit our website. It's UWRG, super easy to remember, but please don't hesitate to ask. We would love to just inform you or give you a little quote, or even come look at the damage to see if you need our services, basically. So you're probably asking, Kayla, now what separates you from your competitors? What makes you different than those big name brand companies? What makes you unique? Well, audience, let me tell you, we are available 24/7, 365. That means Christmas, we're available. Any major holidays, we're available. 2 o'clock in the morning, we're available. 10 o'clock in the morning, we're available. 24/7, 365. We are always there for you at any time, any day of the week, night, day, whatever. We also strive to be on site in most locations within the hour. That is crazy cool. It's crazy impressive. It's very an admirable thing about our company is we strive to be on site within an hour, which means you call me and say, oh my goodness, Kayla, I am having a flood in my basement. I am freaking out. When can you get someone out here? Well, thanks for calling, Kayla. I can actually be in there within an hour. I will strive to be there. I will send one of my texts there now. Most of the time, the only reason we wouldn't get there at the hour is if they're rushing off another job, if it's a little bit farther, but we do strive to hit that stride within the hour. So Kayla, where do you guys serve in Colorado? Great questions, audience. We happily serve in Colorado Springs, the surrounding areas such as Monument, Woodland Park, Pueblo, and the Eastern Plains. Great thing is, if you're confused, call us, we can tell you. But basically, we serve the big old bubble around the springs, and we're happy to help you wherever. We also offer free visual assessments. So if you're like, Kayla, I'm really worried that I have mold in my house, but I'm really not sure. Great, Becky. I would love to come in and check out your home and see if I'm worried about the mold in your home. If so, then we can talk about further action. That easy, and it's free! Free visual assessment, woohoo! And if you're wondering, well, that's great that sets you apart from everyone, but how are your ratings? Well, Google us. United Water Restoration Group of Colorado Springs not only has a good amount of reviews, but we also have 5-star rating on Google. Every single review we've had is 5 stars. That is crazy. We do such a good job for a reason. We strive to get your home back to how it was before the flood in the basement, before the fire that has taken place. We do our best to make you a happy customer. That's why we have the 5-star rating. That's why John is so amazing. That's why we really try hard to do our best job possible. So even though as a company we help you a lot, we want to help you as much as you help us, which is great because we offer a referral program. So a little bit about a referral program. It is open to all, from businesses to small businesses to homeowners to friends to family. Anyone and everyone can sign up. So if you need some basic information to get you started, you are on your way to free money just by giving us a few things about yourself, and it's super easy to find. If you search UWRG coloradospringsco.com/referral/, it'll take you directly to our referral page site, and that is where you can fill it in manually on the computer or on your phone and send it back to us, and you're immediately on the referral program. Also, I would love to meet you guys if you sign up for a referral program or in general, just so I can get to know how I can help refer you. Or if you're a homeowner, just to say thank you. We want to get to know the people that are referring us, and we want to be your friend. We would like to be a partner with you. So I would like to know that kind of information. And the great news is you can earn $300 per referral, over $1,000 in 4 easy steps. Here we go. So 1, add a property or know of a property damaged by water, fire, sewage, or mold. Great. Step 2, get your client or friend, family in touch with UWRG immediately. Step 3, we sign the job and get started. Step 4, once it's all complete, collect your referral fee. You could even earn up to $800. Whoa. Just by sending a referral to us and us getting the job. So all you have to do is go to UWRG coloradospringsco.com/referral/ to sign up and read for more information about our partner program. If you want to see more information about us and get to see me more often, like Power Connectors and like and follow our Facebook page at UWRG Colorado Springs CO and our Instagram too as well. If you have any questions or any other concerns, please don't hesitate to call me at 719-641-0156. Please feel free to email me too at kgreen@unitedwrg.com. And is there any questions? I'm just gonna wait to make sure that there's no questions before I move on. Oh, great question, Nicole. So she asked, what insurances do we work with? Good news for you, we work with all insurances. There's not a single insurance that we can't work with. Isn't that amazing? So instead of being like, I wonder if they're gonna work with my insurance, I'm super concerned, call us. We work with them. You're in great shape. And then Christina, are we hiring? Yes, we are hiring. If you are looking to become a technician or learn how to do the behind the scenes of what we do here, send your resume to NicoleF@UnitedWRG.com, or you can always send it to me at kgreen@UnitedWRG.com, and I can just forward it to Nicole too as well. But all the experience you need is to be able to pass a background check and have a driver's license and be coachable. Super easy, right? And a great way to earn money and learn more about how to help people in emergency. With that being said, thank you so much, guys, for joining us today. I will see you in about 2 weeks when we're interviewing a mystery guest. Woohoo! I'm really excited to interview him, and I can't wait to see you in that week. Bye, guys. Have a good day.